Alhamdulillahi wahdah, wassalatu wassalamu ala man la nabiyya ba'dah, wa ala alihi wa ashabihi alladhina awfu ahdah. After faith or belief, the most important matter that is discussed in Sharia is related to Salah. The establishing of Salah is frequently mentioned in Sharia. An ordinary man should establish Salah and should do preparation in establishing Salah. First of all, at the time of entering in a mosque, you should put your first foot forward in a mosque after removing your shoes. But you should remove your shoes from left foot and then from right foot and step inside the mosque. After that, recite the dua of entrance in a mosque. Bismillahi wassalatu ala rasulillahi sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Allahumma ftahli abwaba rahmatik. As soon as you are inside the mosque, you must immediately intense niyat to observe i'tikaf. For this intention of i'tikaf, you doesn't need to say anything in Arabic, more even any words or verses in Arabic. Just you have to promise oneself that as long as you stay in a mosque, you will with the intention of i'tikaf, and so you will be rewarded only on making or having this niyat or intention in heart.